Full disclosure, this ice maker was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions on my own. Whoa! This is a Free Village ice maker. This thing is an ice maker that cleans itself. It can produce 24 ice cubes in just 13 minutes. This thing has a capacity right here to produce 120 ice cubes in one filling of the water. This thing holds 2.2 liters of water. That makes 120 ice cubes in one bag. Boom! Boom! The power cord right here. A 3-prong power. Free Village ice maker manual. The user manual. The ice maker. Boom! Boom! Free Village ice maker. The beautiful Free Village ice maker. This thing can produce 24 cubes in just 13 minutes. And the cool thing about it is you can vary the thickness of your ice cube. A 2.2 liter water capacity, so you can make a lot of ice cube. In 24 hours, this thing is capable of making 40 pounds of ice. Boom! Gorgeous ice maker. Here's a scoop. Here's a bucket. This is the ice maker right here. This thing also has automatic cleaning function. Great ice maker that will clean itself. Pouring water into here. We're gonna make some ice. Yes. We shall make ice. We have all the way up to the fill max line. We're gonna run it through one cycle. We're gonna make some good ice right here. We're making some ice, guys. Water has been poured in. Closest on up. Guys, you see that symbol? That means it's making them ice. Oh! It's working! Yeah! So we're making ice right now. And the ice will be ready in like 10 minutes, guys. So right now, it's pushing water through this cold area and it's producing ice. It's not too loud. It's producing ice. Yes, water's going through these areas. It's getting cold. It's making ice right now. Ice will be ready in 7 minutes. Every batch of ice, it takes about 13 minutes and it makes 24 cubes of ice. 1 minute left. We have ice in 1 minute. Look, the ice is freezing up. This is a very cool ice maker. You can make 24 cubes of ice in about 13 minutes. This thing can make 40 pounds of ice in 24 hours. It's crazy. It's so simple. It cleans itself. It stopped. Look, the ice is done. That's ice. It's pushing the ice out. Ice is going to come out. Oh! We have ice! What? And it started again. It started again. This is the ice. This is the ice right here. This is the ice it made. Look. Oh, this is the ice we made. We just made this ice right now with this ice maker. How cool is that? And it's making the next batch of ice right now. 24 cubes of ice in 13 minutes. It's crazy, guys. This ice maker is crazy awesome. Really cool ice maker that will clean itself. This thing can produce 24 cubes of ice in 13 minutes. Real good ice. Oh, yeah. Ice maker. Yeah. Literally, we're making ice. Oh, yeah.